After spending over $455,000 on Printify's websites, selling mostly t-shirts in my store, today I'm going to film you a review video of the best shirt to sell for what situation in your Etsy store using Printify. And so for today's video, I ordered 5 samples from Printify of the top t-shirts that sell on their website. And I'm going to show you those prints in real life. And one of them I'm actually super excited about that you probably haven't even considered selling in your store that's completely blowing up on Etsy right now. And hello, if we haven't met before, my name is Cassie Johnson. I've been selling print-on-demand products on Etsy with Printify for 6 years now. And I run a private community on School called the POD Roadmap, where I help sellers start and scale their print-on-demand businesses, specifically helping you learn how to add value with your designs and make more money with group listings, which is something we'll talk about today. I'll have my private community linked down below, but you can always comment the word community and I'll send you the link as well. I'd love to see you over there for my monthly trend reports and our weekly live calls. The 5 shirts we'll be reviewing today are the Bella Canvas 3001, the Gildan 5000, the Gildan 64000, the Comfort Colors 1717, and my newest favorite that I wanted to talk to you guys about today, the Comfort Colors 3023, their boxy cropped tee. So if you already sell Comfort Colors shirts in your store, the 3023 is going to be the perfect addition to your shop. These are selling like absolute hotcakes on Etsy. Looking on Etsy, just look at all these bestseller badges on these 3023 crop tops. And the crazy thing is a lot of sellers are getting bestsellers on listings where they already had it for sale on a regular Comfort Color shirt and they just made another listing it with the boxy cropped tee and got another bestseller badge. But not only that, these are going absolutely viral on TikTok. Now, I will just spill the beans that in most cases, the Comfort Colors 1717 shirt is the top seller that you should be selling in your Etsy store today. Not in every scenario though, which is why I still got reviews of the other products. And I saw this video the other day that I think really drove the point home as to why. This video got 700,000 views, and she's talking about how if it's a Comfort Colors brand, she's 50% more likely to buy it, and hundreds of people were agreeing with her in the comments. And we see the same type of TikTok videos all the time, being like, look at this shirt I got, and it's Comfort Colors. It is such an addition and a selling feature that people really love these shirts. I did order all 5 of these shirts from Swift POD on Printify, and here is the Comfort Color shirt so you can see what it looks like. So I ordered this beautiful floral 4th of July design. So this is how this shirt actually fits on me. I ordered a size medium. So this is more of a unisex size and is good for men and women. And I got this one in the chalky mint color because I thought that was just a really pretty option to show you the color and how vibrant the color is actually printed on it. My complaint as a shorter lady is these are pretty long on me, so I was really excited when the cropped version came out, and I'll show you that one next. But for the Comfort Color shirts, this is typically what you're gonna wanna use when you're selling just adult shirts in general because they are so popular. The typical price range for a Comfort Color shirt on Etsy is anywhere between $27 and $31, and that's for one print on the front, and that's including shipping. So you could break that down to be a $25 shirt plus $6 shipping or a $31 shirt with free shipping. But a lot of times I do recommend pricing closer to the $26, $27 range, including shipping, and then raising the prices as it starts to sell, just to try and get sales on that listing earlier on in the beginning. Now on Printify, here's how big I made the design for that print. So I do want to compare before I show you the cropped shirt version. So this one was 14.39 across, and again, all the way at the top. So if you wanted your design as big as that, you'd want to use the full print area. Whereas for the cropped version, I also made the design as big across and all the way at the top as I could, but this print area is only 10 inches wide. And so you want to make sure to reflect on your mock-ups how big the design's actually going to come once it's printed. And just a note that the cropped shirt right now with Swift POD only comes in 7 colors, but these are a lot of great color options. And so I think there's still a lot to work with here. So here's how the cropped shirt actually fits on me. I love this fit. It's definitely not a crop top where it's going to show my stomach. Maybe if you were super tall, I am 5'3", just for reference, but I think these fit really nice, really flattering. I hope this kind of shows you what kind of they're going to look like on someone's body. So when you're shopping for mock-ups, mock-ups, you can make sure that they're not AI mock-ups that are making them look more cropped than they actually are. And here's a comparison between the cropped shirt and the normal 1717 shirt, so you can see just how much larger of a design you can get on the 1717. So while I don't think the cropped shirt should replace you selling the normal Comfort Colors shirt, I do think it's a great addition to your store, whether you want to use Printify's new multi-item listing tool to sell both in one listing. I think that would be a great option. Or if you have listings that are already selling in your store, even creating a brand new listing showing the cropped shirt as the main thumbnail and using the cropped shirt SEO in the titles and tags, that might draw in a completely different customer that might like the cropped shirts a lot more than the regular ones. Now, the reason why you might want to look at the reviews of the other 3 shirts that I ordered is if you get into family matching shirt sets, because the Comfort Colors shirts only have the adult and the youth sizes. They don't yet have toddler and baby sizes. So if you're for sure going to be selling sets that people want to match the entire family in the exact same color, I personally like to get the Bella Canvas shirts so that all of them can be in the exact same matching color. Because with the Bella Canvas, you can get the 3001, the 3001Y, the 3001T, and then the 100B baby bodysuit. So all of these come in, I think, 7 or 8 of the exact same colors. So they'll all be a perfect match. Now, some people do sell the Comfort Colors with different brand toddler and baby shirts in their listings. So that is totally up to you. But the other benefit to the other 3 I'm about to show you is that they are less expensive. So starting with the Bella Canvas 3001, here is what that one looks like. Some people really prefer this shirt because it is a thinner material than the Comfort Colors shirts and the Gildan shirts. It's really soft, it's really thin and nice. And this one is really long though. But this one has been a classic bestseller on Etsy since the dawn of time. But again, it's kind of lost some of its popularity to the Comfort Colors shirt over the last couple of years. But again, the print on this one looks amazing. The colors that can come in are really great. And again, this one's my top pick for if you're doing family matching shirt sets. Now, these shirts price-wise typically will sell anywhere from $21 to $25 total, including shipping. And so that's another reason these can be great for group shirts is because they are even a little bit more cost-effective. Because this shirt with Printify Premium starts at $9.22 plus shipping for the cost. But if you're really going for cost effective, that's why you'd choose one of the next 2 options. Some people like to sell these in their huge, massive listings, like family matching shirt sets for Christmas. We have 174 different sayings, or for family reunions where someone might be ordering 60 shirts, for example, and they don't care as much about the quality. It's just a good enough shirt for a big event. Then these 2 can be a great option to save on some costs. First up, we've got the Gildan 64,000. Now this one is about $8.08 before shipping on Printify, so it is quite a bit less than the Bella Canvas when you're timesing it by getting a lot of orders. And this is still a really nice shirt. Honestly, it's super similar to the Bella Canvas. It's still pretty soft. It's kind of similar in the length. It's a super similar option. And so I don't think there's a huge difference between these 2. I will say that sometimes people like the Bella Canvas brand over when it says Gildan, since Gildan's more associated with something that you buy like at Walmart to do crafts with. But secret, if you don't know, Comfort Colors is actually made by Gildan as well. But the print on this one, it turned out awesome as well. SwiftPOD did great with all of the prints. The last one to review is the Gildan 5000 shirt. This is the heavyweight Gildan shirt. And this is the only one on today's list that I actually probably wouldn't recommend selling. It used to really have a place for the oversized back designs, beachy kind of looking designs, but now Comfort Colors has really taken that place. But it is the least expensive on the list with $7.48 of a base cost with Printify Premium before shipping. And for this one, I thought it would be fun to show you a sample of a different placement for the design. I put it in the pocket of the actual shirt. Some people say that this is a really rough shirt, but honestly, I don't really feel it. It's a little stiffer than the soft style in the Bella Canvas, but it's fine. I think the fit is overall just okay, and I think it's a pretty nice shirt. But here's how I did that actual placement on Printify, since I get this question a lot. So what I like to do is center the design in the middle of the collar. So the collar over here, you want to put your design kind of in the center of the collar. So how the collar is about in the center right above this, that's what you want to line it up with. So my design's kind of wide. If yours skinnier, then yours might end up looking more right here instead of going all the way to the edge. But that's what it'll look like once you get it. And this one in particular is about 4.24 inches wide. And I didn't put it quite at the top if you're looking to get kind of the same looking effect that I did here on this shirt. And if you've never made family matching shirt sets before, but you'd like to see a tutorial on how, then type the word family down in the comments below, and I'll see about making a full tutorial on how to make family matching shirt sets. I hope you found this video super helpful, and let me know if you have any comments down below. And again, I will have that link to sign up for a completely free Printify account down in the description, or comment the word Printify and I'll send that over.